So guys, this is official shoot of Oppo Find X7 Ultra, same as Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both have 50 megapixel camera. Look at the sharpness of X7 Ultra, which is 1000 times better than S24 Ultra. In previous video we compare S24 Ultra and Xiaomi 14 Pro. In this video you will see that Oppo Find X7 Ultra full camera test. Look at the night mode, 6x zoom, very clear. And now this is the 6x zoom, as you can see here, very clear, and 3x zoom, and this is the 1x zoom, and same process repeat, 6x zoom and then 3x zoom, 3x zoom, and then I shoot 1x zoom. So guys, not only for the price range S24 Ultra and Oppo X7 Ultra, guys, X7 Ultra is very cheaper than Samsung S24 Ultra and 1000 times better, as you can see in these pictures, very clear, very sharp, which is 1000 times better than S24 Ultra. Why Samsung just copy these phones, I don't know. As you can see these. So guys, I suggest you to buy either Xiaomi 14 Pro, or you can also buy Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Both are the best. As you can see, for the photography purpose and for the performance, X7 Ultra is best. If you compare X7 Ultra with Xiaomi 14 Pro, so you will see that the Oppo X7 Ultra is best. If you keep in sequence, I first keep the X7 Ultra, then keep Xiaomi 14 Pro, and at last we keep the S24 Ultra. Because of the price range, these phones have almost same camera, 50 megapixel. As you can see here, I randomly shoot these video. Guys, this is the day mode. I also show you the night mode of the Find X7 Ultra. So look at these portraits, very clear, very sharp. So Oppo Find X7 Ultra is value for money, and it have the good performance as well. Snapdragon 8 generation 3, same as Samsung S24 Ultra. So I suggest you go to the Oppo X7 Ultra instead of going to the Samsung S24 Ultra, or you can go Xiaomi 14 Pro. So guys, now look. So what do you say, guys? Tell me in the comment box. I will waiting for reply.